So over the past 10 years or so, I've been eating, living, breathing YouTube. And during this time, I've started a few different channels that have accumulated hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And because I'm so interested in YouTube, I'm always looking for different ways to streamline things, to make things a lot more easy, to make things a lot more straightforward. And I found a way that you can actually use AI, specifically Claude, to help you build an automated YouTube channel. It's going to come down to using 3 different Claude connectors, also known as MCPs. For those of you that don't know what an MCP is, it's basically a way that you can connect your Claude account directly to an external website or app so that you can take certain actions directly within your Claude chat. It doesn't need to be overly expensive. It doesn't need to be overly complicated. You don't need to know coding or anything like that. As long as you know exactly which MCPs to connect to your Claude account, you can enter just a few prompts and be able to get a YouTube video made where you don't need to edit it yourself. You don't need to be a graphic designer. You don't need to do anything like that. You don't even need to upload the video yourself directly to your YouTube account. What I'm going to show you in today's video, I've not seen anyone else on YouTube talking about or demonstrating. So you're definitely going to get a lot of insight from this video. Just make sure that you stick around from the very end so that you don't miss anything. So we're going to jump straight into one of the first Claude MCPs that some of you may be familiar with, which is going to be Digital Maker AI. Now, for those of you that don't know exactly what this tool does, I'm sure by now you probably do, but for those of you that are new to my channel, this is a platform that you can use to create fully edited YouTube videos that are ready for you to upload straight away. But if I just go over to their homepage and scroll down over here, there's a new integration that was added a few days ago where you can now use your Digital Maker AI account directly within Claude. And there's a few different things that you're going to be able to do with this. You can research channels that are doing well right now. You can also figure out which videos are performing well. You can create animated characters. You can generate various different formats of faceless videos. There's so many different things that you can do. And if you did want more information, you can always click on learn more and there's going to be a complete breakdown. But of course, I'm going to demonstrate how everything works when it comes to setting all of this up. And I'm also going to generate a fully edited video directly within Claude as well and show you exactly what it was able to do. So if you don't already have an account, you can create one by simply clicking on get started. And from here, you can sign up using your Gmail or a regular email address. Currently, Digital Maker AI has over 30,000 active users. And thousands of videos as well as digital products have already been generated using this platform. So yeah, create your account. And from there, what you're going to see is this page. I'm going to be using the Faceless Finder to give me a quick idea as to what video is doing well. And that's going to be the video that I'm going to make within Claude. So first things first, what I'm going to do is select the niche for the channel or the video that I'm going to make as a demonstration today. So let's go with investing and trading. And as you can see, there's all of these different channels where there's no one showing their face on camera. There's no one using their own voice. And from here, you can also see if the channel is posting short form content and if they've got a digital product available. So there's this channel over here that seems to be doing quite well. They're consistent when it comes to uploading videos. Okay, so this is the channel right here. As you can see, again, there's no actual person and they're using a popular format on YouTube that I'm sure a lot of you already know, which is the whiteboard animation style video. And they're doing quite well. I would say, every day, basically, they're getting thousands of views. Some videos do better than others. But one trick that you can use when it comes to knowing what type of video you want to make, if you found a channel that is within your niche, is that you can just scroll through and see if there's an outlier. So straight away, I can see that this video performed way better than any other video in the recent weeks. It was able to get over 52,000 views in just 3 weeks. So this is a video topic or title that could potentially do well on my demonstration channel. So that's just one quick way for you to figure out exactly what video is worth making. But one of the first things that you're going to need to do if you want to use Claude to help you create a video directly within the chat, especially when it comes to this type of format and some other formats as well. But I'm going to be making a whiteboard animation style video. Most people believe that this style of video is overly complicated, that you need to have multiple different editors, maybe some expensive editing software, when you can do something very similar with the MCP. So for you to be able to use it, you're going to need to make sure that everything is connected accurately. Now, one of the first things that you're going to need to do is make your way back over to your Digital Maker AI account and then click into settings. Once you're here, you're going to see this tab that says Claude MCP. What you then need to do is click on create a key, and it's going to give you two different things that you need to copy and paste. It's going to give you the name as well as the URL. And this URL contains your API key, and it's going to be with this that you now need to make your way over to your Claude account. Click on customize in the tab on the left hand side. It's going to be from here where you now need to click on connectors, click on add, just put Digital Maker AI in the name field and then paste your URL in there just like that. Now I'm going to blur it out on screen because this is something that you shouldn't share with anyone. If someone has access to this URL as well as your API key, they're going to be able to take certain actions on your account, and the only platform that you want to take actions on your account is going to be Claude. So just make sure that no one else sees that and then click on enter. Okay, so that's now been connected. I'm just going to click on the plus icon and make sure. Okay, yep, right there we can see that Digital Maker AI is turned on. So once you got into this point, if you have found a video that you want to clone, I'm going to show you another interesting thing that you can do. So you're just going to click into the prompt maker within your account, click on business blueprint, and what you can get is a custom prompt that you can paste into Claude so that it knows exactly what type of video you want to make. It knows exactly what the script is. It knows all of the details of it so that when it now makes it, it's going to do the best job possible. So what I'm going to do is just click on AI Faceless YouTube channel. You're going to then see these 4 different options. And I'm going to say that I want Claude to help me clone a single video. It's going to be here where you need to paste the URL of the video that you're replicating. In my case, it's going to be this video right here that was able to get over 50,000 views in just 3 weeks. Okay, so it's now scanning, and yeah, right there, the video has been found. The thumbnail, the title, the description, the script, the tags, just everything that makes this video what it is. I'm just going to click on next. It's going to ask me, what do I want to do different? I'm just going to type this in, and from there, I should be given the prompt. Yep, so I'm just going to copy the full prompt, make my way back over to Claude. I'm going to paste everything in there just like this, and then click on enter. And what's going to happen is that Claude is going to build out this custom blueprint. Shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Okay, perfect. Here we go. So this is what it was able to build. So it's going to come back with a video overview. It's going to come back with alternative titles that you can use, a description that you can copy and paste, as well as the tags, and everything you need to know when it comes to building out this video as well as the thumbnail. The reason why this is important is because you don't want to copy a video outright. You want to look at what has made it be successful, use the video as inspiration, and maybe do things in your own unique way. I'm not a big believer in just copying what someone else has done and making it your own, because that's not the best way to grow a channel. And even when it comes to the YouTube policy and their guidelines and things like that, if you're copying other people's content and you're not making it unique, there's a higher chance that you're going to get your channel banned or demonetized. So yeah, try and use this when trying to clone a video so that you can figure out what different angles to take. But when it comes to how you can use the MCP to generate the video, I'm just going to pick one of these different titles. I'm just going to go with this title over here. And then what I'm going to do is just enter this prompt. What this says is, I now want you to make an animated video using the Digital Maker AI MCP for the following title. I've just pasted it in there like that. I've given it specifics. I'm saying I want it to be 1 minute long. I want it to use the whiteboard animation format. And I also want it to use a US male voice. The only reason why I've told it to generate a 1 minute video is because there is going to be certain limitations or credits that you need to be aware of. And you don't want to burn through your credits with videos that you don't plan to upload. So I'm only going to make a 1 minute video for demonstration purposes, but when you're taking your channel serious, you want to make sure that you're generating an 8 minute or 10 minute minimum video. So yeah, I'm just going to make sure that the MCP is turned on. Yep, so it's turned on, and all I need to do is just click on enter. And there we go, guys. Just like that, as we can see, Claude is now creating the video. So think about it. You don't need any editing software. You don't need to install any sort of visual code or any other external platform. Literally within the chat, Claude is building out the video, and it's not going to take too long because right there, as we can see, the video is already processing, and it shouldn't take more than maybe a few more minutes. And what's going to happen is that you're going to first and foremost receive an email directly letting you know that your video is complete. As you can see, this is the email that I just received. So I can view the email or view the video, by clicking into this link. But what I can also do is within the Claude chat, I can ask it to give me the URL so that I can view the video. So I'm just going to do that. Let's see if it comes back with the URL. Okay, so right there, it has come back with the link. So I could just click directly into it and view the video. And here we go, guys. This is the video. So I'm just going to play a short snippet of it, maybe 30 seconds or maybe even all of it, just so that you guys can see exactly what it was able to come back with. And remember, I asked it to create a whiteboard animation style video. I also asked it to use a male voice as well as make the video around 1 minute long. So it seems as though it's done most of that, but of course we need to watch the entire thing. So I'm just going to click on play.
Your 20s are the ultimate playground for building wealth. And if you haven't hit every milestone by 30, don't panic. You're not alone, and it's absolutely not too late. If you're serious about your financial future, hit that subscribe button so we can walk through these money moves together. Here are 7 milestones that'll set you up for life. First, build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. This safety net keeps you from going into debt when life throws curveballs. Second, start investing early, even if it's just $50 a month. Time and compound growth are your superpowers. Third, max out your retirement account contributions. Your future self will thank you for getting that match from your employer. Fourth, pay off high-interest debt, especially credit cards. That interest is stealing your wealth. Fifth, diversify your investments across stocks, bonds, and index funds. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Sixth, build passive income streams like side hustles or rental properties. Let your money work while you sleep. Finally, hit a net worth of $50,000 by 30. This isn't about being rich, it's about momentum. Remember, you can catch up faster than you think with discipline and smart decisions. Subscribe for more financial wisdom that actually works.
Okay, so that's the video right there. I'm sure that you guys are blown away at the fact that I was able to make that literally with just one prompt. And the thing is, you don't even need to come over to the screen if you don't want to. You could just make the video directly within Claude. The only reason why I'm here is because it's going to be here where you can make any adjustments. So if there's any scene in the video that you don't like, you want to change, you could do so by clicking on regenerate and entering in what you want the specific scene to look like. Same thing goes with updating the script. You're going to be able to do that in this section. And if you're happy with it, you can download it to your computer. But if you don't want to download it to your computer and you would rather automate the process to upload it directly to your YouTube channel, this now brings me on to the second Claude MCP that I'm going to show you, which is Google Drive. The Google Drive MCP is, of course, one of the more popular ones available. As you can see, I've already got it added. It's pretty straightforward. You're just going to click into the plus icon over here. It's not available for me, but let me click into Gmail and show you the basic screen that you're going to see. It's going to be a screen like this, just asking you to sign in and confirm that you're happy to grant Claude with the permission of being connected to your Google account. And the way that it's going to be able to help you is that once you've now generated your video within Claude, just like I showed you using the Digital Maker AI MCP, what you can then do is ask Claude to add that video directly into a Google Drive folder. And this is going to connect to the final MCP, so just make sure you stick around. It's all part of the automation sequence. But what you're going to do is create a folder. So as you can see, I've got this one over here. Let me just get the name of it. And once you've now got the folder name, what you can do is go back over to the Claude chat and enter a prompt similar to this. All I've said is I now need you to give me the full document with a video title, description, and tags to copy and paste for this video, add it to the Google Drive, and the folder is right here. So I'm just going to click on enter. And the whole purpose of this is so that we can have a document that has all the information about the video as well as the actual video all in one place. So I'm just going to click on always allow. Okay, perfect. Literally within 10 seconds, it now came back with the document. I can either click into it like this, or I can go back over to my Google Drive and check it out by selecting this. And there we go. It's got all the information for this video. It's got the title. It's got the actual video file URL. It's got all the details about the name, the pacing of the video, the format of it, the duration, the description that we can copy and paste, as well as the hashtags, the thumbnail prompt as well, just everything necessary for us to upload this video. And this actually now brings me on to the third Claude MCP that's going to help with this entire YouTube automation system, and it's going to piece everything together, which is going to be make.com. Now, returning viewers on this channel would already know that I use make.com when it comes to automating blog articles to digital product websites. And this has been the main way that I've been using it now for a year or so. But I've also been using make.com to help me automate the publishing of YouTube videos where I don't need to sit at the computer every single day because make.com is going to handle everything for me. This is something that not anyone would show, but today I'm going to lay out for you. So if I just go over to the homepage of make.com, let me just show you guys what it is. For those of you that's not really sure of exactly what it is, it's a way that you can set up different AI automations and you can allow different websites, apps and softwares to speak to one another. In all honesty, this has made my life 10 times easier with the things that you can do with it. And the good thing is that you can get started for completely free if you're looking to test it out. And no, they haven't sponsored this channel in any way, shape or form. The only reason why I'm speaking of it so highly is because I personally use it myself. And once you've created your account and you've logged in, this is going to be something similar to what you're going to see. Essentially, you're going to have to set up something called a scenario. This is where you're going to connect all of these different apps together, depending on what you're trying to do. So yeah, initially it's going to be completely blank. It's going to look like this, but once you're through with it and you've set up the automation that you're building, it's going to look something similar to this. So as you can see, this is a little bit complicated, but also simple at the same time. All this is me telling make.com to watch a Google Drive folder, download the video that's in that folder, then use Claude to create the best description possible, the best title possible, the best tags possible, based on everything that's in that specific folder. And then from there, upload the video to YouTube, add the YouTube to a playlist, and then move the video into a completed Google Drive folder. Building something like this is a great way for you to build a semi-automated YouTube system. If you wanted me to make another video where I break down step by step how you can build this from scratch, just put in the comments down below, do the make.com YouTube system video, as well as your location, and I'll be sure to get onto it ASAP. But for those of you out there that already have your make.com MCP installed and you want to clone it, you're going to be able to do so by taking a screenshot of your screen right now. So just pause the video, take a screenshot just like this, then go over to Claude, drag and drop the image in there just like that, and then enter something like, I want you to clone this scenario and add it to my make.com for me to add my own credentials afterwards. Because one thing that you guys need to know is that if you're looking to use Claude to clone any make.com blueprint that you found on YouTube, it's not going to be able to add your Google Drive login to your account. It's not going to be able to log into your Claude account. It's not going to be able to, of course, log into your YouTube account. So you need to make sure that you're telling Claude to add a blank scenario using this format so that you can now go in there and fill out all of the details. And it goes without saying that you also need to make sure that your make.com MCP is turned on as well. Now, I'm not going to press enter right now because I've already got this set up already, so I don't need another one, of course. But yeah, there's going to be certain things that you're going to need to do once you've built this out. You need to make sure that you add the right prompts in these different fields. You also need to make sure that you've connected everything properly and just logged into all of your accounts. Again, if you wanted me to make that updated video, just walking you through the entire process as to how you can build this out so that you don't have to sit there and upload your YouTube videos every single day, this sequence is going to take care of it for you. Just make sure that you comment down below to do the video and I'll get onto it ASAP. And the good thing about this as well is that you can automate it so that you don't have to come here and click on run every single time. You can basically schedule it so that it triggers at the same time every single day. So yeah, this is definitely something worth doing. And generally all of these different MCPs are worth using together. The Digital Maker AI one to create the videos that you don't need to edit yourself. The Google Drive one so that you can upload a summary of all of your videos every single day. And then the make.com one so that you can schedule and upload your videos automatically. Don't forget, I'm going to leave a direct link to Digital Maker AI down below. It's not just whiteboard animation style videos that you can make with it. You can make various different trending style of videos right now where everything is going to be done with a few clicks of a button. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. If you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where in this video, I'm going to be able to spend a little bit more time breaking down the actual step-by-step process that you need to know from start to finish if you're looking to start a faceless YouTube channel. Things that I didn't have time to show you in today's video, you're going to be able to watch that by clicking the link on screen. If it's not there, you should be able to find the link down below. But other than that, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.